With Flexitive, you can build one design that adapts to unlimited sizes and create variations in seconds. In this video, you will see how to use Flexitive to build a fully responsive design really fast. You can quickly preview your responsive design and share its unique URL with anyone in the world. A Flexitive account can save you hours of time. First, scroll down to Responsive Sizes, sometimes called breakpoints or aspect ratios, and choose Blank Canvas. You can start with any size you like, but you'll likely find it easier to start with the 1x1 breakpoint size. Start by uploading your prepared high-resolution image or video assets in the Assets panel on the right-hand side. Drag and drop your assets onto the canvas and resize and position them. Take note of the green focal point on every image or video. By defining where Flexitive will focus, it acts as a cropping tool, determining what will be visible in the following breakpoint sizes you activate. Click the plus text button to add text as a web font to your design to make it easy to edit and scale across all of your sizes. Use the text formatting panel to change font, weight, color, and more. Using web fonts rather than an image that includes text makes your design more responsive and can reduce your final file size when you export your design. Returning to the landscape page we initially started in, we continue by activating the next breakpoint size. When you activate a new size, Flexitive will automatically adapt its layout from the next closest size you designed. Sometimes, you may want to go in and improve or change the layout on a new breakpoint size. When you re-enter the landscape page, continue to activate the remaining landscape sizes in sequential order, making sure that each breakpoint looks great before you activate the next. Change to Portrait and continue activating more sizes. In Flexitive, you can quickly use frames to animate your design. When applied to one size, animations will be added across all sizes, including landscape and portrait. You can quickly preview your responsive design and share its unique URL with anyone in the world. Revisions to your design will be reflected on your preview page in real time. Once you've finished your design, you can export an HTML5 file package as a zip to be used on your custom site or CMS, or to upload to an ad server. Your images will automatically be cropped and resized for the highest quality and lowest file size. You can also export live designs directly from the Flexitive Design Cloud with premium Flexitive accounts. This allows you to make live changes instantly in Flexitive. In Flexitive, you can also add design variations in seconds. Easily modify elements of your design for different products, audiences, and languages, or for A/B testing. Simply duplicate your first design and, in any activated size, select the element that you want to change. In the Assets panel, click Swap Asset to change it across all sizes. All of your previously selected animation effects that were applied to that element will still apply to your swapped asset, but you can change them if you like. Save your updated design and then preview and share the changes you've made. Supercharge your creativity with the world's most advanced responsive design tool. Sign up now at flexitive.com.